Hey y'all, this is Meredith, and I wanted to show you how to combine books in Book Creator. So if I have an entire class working together, maybe they've created their own books, I don't want to make it into one. This would be good for like about me books, poetry books, anything that the students that you'd like to combine, or even if you're just using it to save space in your library. I can go and combine them by going to this button right down here at the bottom. Going to combine books, and the teacher does have to do this. You just click on the ones that you want to combine and hit next in the top right hand corner. And then you're going to need to give it another name. Okay, so I'm just going to give this a name of Sample Combo. And I'm going to create the book. Okay, so what I'm going to see now in my library is the individual books, but I'm also going to see my combo over here. And when I go to play it, it'll have a cover that they've given to me. And then as soon as I start going, it's going to show me, it's going to take on the format of kind of the largest book. So that's what the combination looks like.